I'm not feeling safe in this
let's
car.
be fucking
I don't
real.
feel safe in this car.
If a bitch done ate your gooch, she done licked your ass on some accident, or
You probably
whether she
moaned
was
too, didn't
did
you?
it or not,
You
huh?
moaned, didn't you? Who?
Oh, oh
Woo!
yeah. Woo!
Woo! Hey, hey, I'm just saying, bro. I'm just saying. You got me scared up here, so we're gonna bring everybody back and
Oh
you
nah,
know
this about to get
wait,
what? Huh?
wait, listen. We're gonna talk about your we're gonna talk about your gooch, all that stuff we're gonna put in a box.
Wow. We're gonna throw it in
Hey,
the box
hey,
with my mama
everybody do it at the
titties.
bottom.
We're gonna
Everybody do it
throw
at
it
the
in a
bottom.
little
Put it in the
box
box for them. Come
and
on.
throw
I
it in
see
the
y'all at
sea
the bottom. Put it in the box. We're gonna put it in the box. Cause
for
yeah.
Andrew.
Thank you, Nelson. I see you. Thank you. Jesus Christ. Whoo. Oh, Jesus.
That went into you need to put it in a box or throw it
Maybe
in the
I
ocean
haven't just met that
and throw
one to
it in the
bring that out
ocean.
of me yet. I
He
don't
haven't met the
know.
one that's
Repeat it,
spitting your
repeat
I
butt.
don't know.
it.
Bro,
Repeat it. Wait,
if
say
you
it
had
Nah,
again.
proof
nah,
that you
nah,
had
nah,
ass
nah,
ate.
nah,
Repeat it.
I ain't saying keep that
nah.
ass up. I ain't saying
Ah,
niggas
You
just
ain't
got
met the
damn
one that's spitting your
saying
butt.
In
Come
the
on.
box.
Hey,
just
come
start
on.
ready for his ass to get ate.
Come on.
I'm
Come on.
nah,
saying
Hey,
nah, nah,
let
nah.
that boots make their head up.
No, I'm good on that. I'm
Box.
good.
hold up. Hold up. You ain't met the one that's spitting
Yes.
your butt yet. That's what you telling me. You ain't met the one that's
Nah,
spitting your butt.
hell nah. Fuck no, I ain't met that one, and I ain't looking for it either. But listen,
She gonna change
but
your
listen.
life.
I mean, nah, man.